about you, but when I think about citrus flavors like lemon and orange and lime, I think of summertime because they're refreshing flavors. But did you know that traditionally they're actually holiday flavors? I'm standing right here in with my neighbor's orange tree. She also has lime trees and lemon trees as well, but these are all fall fruiting harvests. So when it comes to November and December, these will start to become ripe, and then people traditionally use them. You've seen pictures of the oranges with cloves poked all over in them. That's a project a lot of people do in the holidays, and that's because all of these fruits are harvested that time of year. So kind of get it out of your head that when you think of those flavors, that's when you would eat them, and start to think about when things actually harvest and they'll be fresh. I know nowadays the grocery store carries all fruits and vegetables all year long, but in fact there's times of year that are best for them, and you'll actually notice in the grocery store that's when they're the least expensive. That means that that's when they're naturally ripening up. You can go online. I'll post a link below of a whole master sheet so you can see when each, blueberries and blackberries and all the various different fruits and vegetables are naturally coming ripe, and that way you can buy them when they are at their peak.